Hi, my name is Carl, and today I want to show you how to make a Minecraft video without a webcam or a camera. It's cool to know how to do this if you like to make YouTube videos or share your gameplay experience with other people. In order to make a video about Minecraft, the program that I like to use is called Fraps, and this is what the program looks like. Now you can get the Fraps program from a website called www.fraps.com, and just go to the download page and it will look like this, and you can purchase and download the Fraps program, and once you do that, just follow the on-screen instructions and you will get this Fraps program. Now you can set up a video capture hotkey, which means when you're playing the game, I would hit F7 to start recording. You can adjust the frames per second that you want it to record. 30 frames per second is fairly standard. You also want to designate the external output for the sound, which is your microphone, and also if you want it to record the in-game sound, like the actual gameplay sound, you want to check that box as well. So I'm going to go ahead and minimize this, and I have Minecraft open. And one thing that you'll notice is that up here in the top left-hand corner, now you'll see these numbers, and these numbers are yellow, and those indicate the frames per second that you're capable of recording. So if I hit that hotkey F7, you'll see that those numbers now have turned red. And that means that I am actually recording. And as you're recording, you can designate Fraps to either show these numbers in the recording or to make them transparent and invisible. So now I could go and play the game and run around the Minecraft world and do whatever I want to do and record my gameplay. And it will save it as an AVI file, which is generally compatible for most video editing software. So my name is Carl, and I just showed you how to make a video in Minecraft without a webcam or a video camera. I hope that helps you enjoy the video gameplay of Minecraft and that you have a good time with it.